Hey, what's going on, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Refersion, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you make money from this affiliate platform? How does this work? How much money can you really make? All right, let's cover all that in this review today. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are pretty good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Refersion to see whether this is a good option for you to make money on the internet. Okay, now what is this? Refersion is basically an affiliate platform. All right, so if you're a company, you can come here and list your product on here and get all the different software and tracking tools that you need in order to do business, and you can build basically a following, an army of affiliates. But if you're just like me and you're a regular person and you don't own a large retail company and you want to make money selling affiliate products, then you can come here and find affiliate products to sell as well. Okay, so we're going to talk all about that. How can you make money as an affiliate with Refersion, right? So what you would do here is, if you were a regular person, you would come here and you would sign up. You would just come to partners, all right, head over to publishers, and we want to be an affiliate, so you would click on partner with us, all right? And then what you would do is you would fill in your details here: first name, last name, name of your company. You'll need a website, so definitely a blog. If you don't have a sales funnel yet, definitely put your blog, website, or worst come to worst, your social media website, like your YouTube channel, your TikTok channel, whatever it is, your business email, your phone number, your type of company. Are you an affiliate or a blogger, right? And what's the size of your company? Probably 1 to 10 million right there, right? Do you have any questions for our partner team? And then let's chat, okay? And then they will get back in touch with you, depending on really whether they feel like you can work with them, okay? Now, what kind of products are available on Refersion, which is important to understand, right? So this is their marketplace, okay? Now, every single affiliate network, you have to understand, specializes in different areas, right? So some specialize in physical products, some digital products, some a bit of digital, a bit of physical as well, and some are very specific in specific industries or niches, right? Now with Refersion, they specialize a lot in the health, the beauty, the personal care, and the home garden space. That doesn't mean that they don't have other categories as well, but this is really where they play, okay? So if you're an affiliate marketer that's interested in selling physical, okay, so it's mainly physical products, health products, personal consumables, beauty products, personal care, home and garden style products, then this is a good marketplace for you to check out, right? And just to give you an idea, these are some of the programs that they have relationships with, okay? Now, the important thing to also understand is affiliate commissions. How much can you earn from selling a product through a network like Refersion, right? Now, generally speaking, you should focus on anything that is, I would say, over 30%, okay? Because if it's anything below that, then unfortunately, it's not that great, because you're not really making that much money. So if we take a look at some of the opportunities here, you can see here 50%, which is really good actually. 50% is very high commissions, especially for a physical product. 30% is also pretty high, but a lot of them you'll see is about 10%. Okay, and that's pretty normal for companies that are selling physical products. 10%, 12%, 15%. So to see something like 30% or 50% is pretty impressive. All right. Now, the other thing that you should understand as an affiliate as well is how long is the cookie, right? Cookie basically means when somebody clicks on your affiliate link, how long will your cookie stay on their browser, so that if somebody buys from their checkout page, especially through your link, it will still get referred back to you? Well, it depends on the company. Some companies, like for example Innovative Extracts, they offer a 90-day cookie, which is quite long. That means if somebody clicks on your cookie 90 days ago and then they just go directly to Innovative Extracts and they buy something, you'll still get a referral commission, which is pretty cool, okay? But not all of them are like that. For example, Lifecycle, okay? Lifecycle is the mushroom extract product I actually buy from this company. They only offer a 7-day cookie. That's super short. All right, and then I think the average is 30 days. You can see the Golden Secrets right here. It's a beauty and fragrance company. It's a 30-day cookie. That's pretty standard. 1 month is pretty normal for most affiliate products. So I think that they've got a pretty decent list of products that you can decide to sell from. And it also really depends. The commissions are quite wide. It could be, you know, from 10% all the way up to 50%. I mean, look at Blast, right? Blast Beauty Fragrances is like 50% sale. That's really, really decent, okay? But remember, these are all physical products, okay? And this one has a 30-day cookie as well. So I would say Refersion is not bad. It just depends on what kind of affiliate marketer you are, okay? If you're an absolute beginner, then you know, it depends. You obviously need to have some training on how to sell affiliate products, because the thing that Refersion does not do is they don't teach you how to sell affiliate products, right? So if you're already an experienced marketer, maybe you are an influencer, you've got a big following and you understand how to promote products, it's very easy to come into a website like Refersion and, you know, basically apply, grab your links, and then recommend this to your following. I mean, if you already have a following in the beauty industry, if you're an influencer in beauty and you came here and you recommended, you know, Numbuzin or Hem Healer, for example, there will probably be a bunch of your followers that will buy that for you, right? From you, right? Because you already have a following, you have influence. But if you're an absolute beginner and you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, you don't know where to start, you don't know how to build your sales funnel, then unfortunately, Refersion doesn't teach you how to do that successfully, all right? The other thing that I want to mention is, even though they are a pretty cool affiliate network, they focus mainly on physical products in the health, beauty, personal care, and home and garden space. So if you wanted to get access to other niches, right? Maybe the make money niche, the affiliate marketing niche, maybe you wanted like the yoga niche, right? Maybe you wanted like, you know, the I don't know, the cooking niche, for example, they may not have products that will fit your particular interest because it's fairly narrow. That's what I would say, okay? So that's Refersion over here. Pretty cool affiliate marketing network in a very specific space. If you want to check them out, you can come over here to Refersion.com. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate income on the internet, maybe you don't know how. Now on this channel, I've reviewed lots of different strategies, right? Some of them are really good, some of them so-so, a lot of them not so great, but out of all of the good ones, I have distilled it into one very specific strategy, which I feel that a beginner off the street, no experience, never made money online before, has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. If you would like to see that strategy, I've got a free masterclass you can check out. Just click the link below and I'll share that free masterclass with you. You can go through it if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoy this review of Refersion. All the best to you, and I hope to see you on another video. Take care.